Hello friends, today we will discuss two important DAX function that is used in date and time function. The first one is today and the second one is now. So let's discuss today first. So basically today gives the today's date. Okay, we can use these functions if we calculate the difference between two dates. Okay, suppose you want to calculate the year and month between your date of birth from that date to today. So you can today DAX function here. And the second one is now. Now basically gives the current time with date. So let's go to our data view to discuss further how this function will work and how we can use that function in our daily routine. So I have a data set having start date of fielding, that is our date column. All date columns are listed here, you can see here. Okay, so let's create a new column here by clicking new column. So firstly we will discuss about today date. Okay, so type today, tab, and enter. So you see that it will give you today's date. Okay, I'm recording this video on 10th of February, so it will give current date. Okay, it will not give you the date in time format. Okay, so it will give just a date, not time. Let me change the format of this today date. Okay, so it will gives the date only. And let's discuss now DAX function. So as I earlier told you, now gives the date and time. Now, okay, so type now, tab and hit enter. So you can see that now function is giving us date and time both in one time. I'm recording this video on 16:51 hours in 10th of February, so it will gives the data uh, having the values and date as well. Okay, so how we can use these functions in our daily, it is the simplest way how these functions is giving the value. So let's create another column. I have discussed your date of birth and today's date, difference between today's date. So let's see, we have a date column, start date of fielding, and we want to calculate the difference between start date of fielding date till today. Okay, so today's duration, today's duration. Okay, so what we do, I am using a date diff function here because we want to calculate a difference between there. So what we do, uh, type our date column here, start date of fielding, sorry, start date of fielding, okay, and comma, and date 2 we just enter today. Okay, and interval we want to calculate in the day format as we earlier discussed on my uh, date diff function. Sorry, actually it is not selected. Okay, day, close the column and hit enter. Okay, so you can see that there is a difference between the start date of fielding till today. In first column it is 95 days. Okay, so let's see our start date of fielding. Our start date of fielding date is 7th of November 2022, and the difference between 7th of November 2022 to today, it is 95 days. Okay, If you want to see the data in month format interval, you can type month here, so it will give the data in interval of month. Okay, I hope you understand these features of date diff and today function. If you have some queries or you have some suggestions for me, you can comment in my video, and please like and subscribe my channel, because it really help me to create some new videos that will really help you in your daily routines, who works in Power BI system and want to learn about Power BI. Okay, thank you so much.